Now I'm with Mrs. Sureka Kulasekara, the Assistant General Manager of Sustainable Banking. So, Madam, can I know the reasons why the Bank of Ceylon joined hand with the art competition?
Just tell me that Bank of Ceylon proudly collaborate with Sri Lanka Rupawahini Corporation for this occasion because it's a timely topic, that climate action and disaster preparedness. So as bankers to the nation, Bank of Ceylon serves all community in the segment, all segments in the community in the country, and also we are not focusing only on profits. We have our concerns about the environment and also the social progress of the country. We are very much concerned about the top to the bottom of the bank. We are very responsible about these concerns, and we have taken all kind of decisions, and we have embedded our sustainability principles into our cooperations and also in decision making processes. So in here, let me talk about this art competition. In here, we are talking to our future minds. So they are here from all the segments of the country. They are here. So this is the timely topic we could talk to them, and the climate action as Sri Lankans, we should know we are in a tropical country and we are vulnerable for the climate changes, and we should know about how to prepare for disaster management. So it is the reason that we are getting into this collaboration with Sri Lanka Rupawahini Corporation. So we have to have this responsibility as the bankers to the nation. So we are here, and I would like to say that every child in the country should know what is the climate change, what is the impact of these climate impacts, and how to prepare and how to manage, how to handle these disaster situations, because we have ample examples on the impacts of the floods and the droughts, and also we had very good example we had tsunami experiences as well. We think it is a timely topic that you have engaged in very much in a timely topic. I would like to give my sincere good luck wishes to all the candidates here, and also I would like to extend my gratitude to on behalf of the Bank of Ceylon to Asia Pacific Broadcasting Unit Summit to be held on 25th to 26th November, as I know, on climate action and the preparedness for the disaster. Thank you.